Hi students, we will continue some more sums of the same topic, how to solve the linear equations in one variable. Okay, just look at this. When you look at this sum, solve x minus 2 is equal to 7. So first you have to write x minus 2 is equal to 7, what the equation they are given. And now always remember we have to make the what if, for example, x is added with minus 2 or x is subtracted with 2. So we have to eliminate that 2. So how it is possible, as we discussed in the last classes, minus 2 can be eliminated by adding plus 2, isn't it? When you add for minus 2, it will become 0. So that this minus 2 we can eliminate easily. So what is the first step we have to do? Step 1. Okay, add 2 means plus 2 on both the sides. Okay, you are adding plus 2 on both the sides. So what you will get? X minus 2 plus 2. And remember we are adding 2 on both the sides. So when you add on both the sides, minus 2 plus 2 and 7 plus 2. Understood? We are adding for LHS as well as for RHS. So minus 2 plus 2. Both will get cancelled. So x is equal to 9. So this will be your answer. Okay, so you can easily understand when you do the sums also. Now I hope you understood this. So once you practice more sums related to this concept, you can easily understand even more better. So x minus 2 is equal to 7. So x minus 2 is equal to 7 we have taken. So always remember whatever is x is added with or subtracted with, that term first we have to eliminate. So here we have to eliminate minus 2. So that what I did, I just added 2 on both the sides. When I add 2 on both the sides, what happens? It will become x minus 2 plus 2 here and again plus 2 there. Understood? So 2 minus 2, this will get cancelled and 7 plus 2 will be 9. So x is equal to 9. So this will be not that much difficult. Remember, x coefficient should be always 1. Here already x coefficient is 1. Nothing is there in the sense. It is multiplied with 1. So just you can stop here. Okay? Understood? If x coefficient is not 1, then we have to do one more step. That also we did in the last, topics what we did. So now we will go with the next sum. I hope you understood this. Next is we have to find the value of t. Here, what is the difference between this sum and this sum? Here we have the x, this linear equation is in terms of x. Here it is in terms of t. That's all. So now, first step. What is the first step? First you write that given t minus 5 equal to 10. So again here, t is divided with 5. So we need only t. We do not want that 5 here. So what I will do, I just multiply with 5 on both sides. Okay, I just multiply with 5 on both the sides. So when I multiply with 5, t by 5 into 5 is equal to 10 into 5. Remember, here in the last last classes we discussed, when it is divided with 5, just you do ulta of it. It means t is divided with 5, so you have to multiply with 5. If t is multiplied with 5, for example, I'll just give an example here. If you have 5t minus 10, instead of t by 5 is equal to 10. So you might have divided this t with 5, so that it became 5t by 5 will get cancelled. So if 5 is multiplied, you should divide. If 5 is divided, you should multiply. Just do the other way, do on the other way. So when you multiply with 5, what happens? 5 will get cancelled. You will be left out with t, and 10 into 5 is 50. So t value is 50. I hope you understood this. See what we did, we just taken the polynomial here. So we written t by 5 is equal to 10, and we just multiplied with 5 on both the sides. When you multiplied this term, whatever LHS with 5, what happens? 5 and 5 will get cancelled. You will be left out with t. And whenever you are multiplying in the LHS, the same what you did in the LHS, you have to continue for RHS also. When you continue with RHS, what happens? It becomes here 10 into 5. So we got at last t is equal to 50. Remember, the coefficient of t always should be 1. It means you should get just like this, x or t or y, whatever it is. So you should get only this term alone. If you have, for example, if you are 70 is equal to 50, that is not the answer. Again, you have to do one more step for that. Always remember, the coefficient of t should be 1. Means you should get only t, not multiplied with any number or a term. Okay. So I hope you understood this sum also. Then we will move on to the next sum. What is that? X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Here if you observe, here the difference between this sum and the last sums is, here we have fractions, whereas in last sums, we don't have this many fractions in the sum. Here, the procedure what we are doing, that remains, that will not change. But here we have fractions, that is the only change in the sum. Now, first step, before doing the step, first write down x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Got it? X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. So what is the first step we have to do? We have to eliminate which is added to this x by 3. Understood? What is added to x by 3? 1. Correct? So 1 is added to x by 3. So that 1 we have to eliminate. So for that, what I will do? Step 1, subtract. Because it is plus 1, so subtract. If it is minus 1, add it. So subtract 1 on both sides. Understood? You have to subtract 1 on both the sides. When you subtract 1, what happens? It becomes x by 3 plus 1 minus 1, 7 by 15 minus 1. Understood? So whatever you do, you should do it for both the sides. You should do it on both the sides. Okay? So 1 and 1 will get cancelled. Okay? So x by 3 equal to, just take the LCM. Here, I hope everybody know the LCM part, how to do. Anyway, I am just making you understand once again. 15 comma 1. What is the LCM of 15 comma 1? Obviously, 15 comma 1 LCM is 15. So write 15. Now, here, just cross multiply. 7 into 1. Always you do like this. Don't do like this. First, you have to cross multiply these two terms. So 7 into 1, 17 minus 15 into 1, 15. Correct? So, which you got is 7 minus 15. What is 7 minus 15? Which is minus 8. So, minus 8 is equal to x by, minus 8 by 15 is equal to, we got x by 3. Our answer is finished? No. Still we have to do one more step. Because it is not just x. We got x by 3. So, we have to eliminate that 3. So, how we did in the last sum, this one? The same way we have to eliminate that 3. So here we eliminated 5 by multiplying with 5. So here we have to eliminate the 3 which is divided. Just you multiply the term with 3 on both the sides. That that 3 will be eliminated. You will be left with 3. Okay. Just I will continue here. This sum. So x by 3 is equal to, what we got? This is not this sum actually. This is continuation of this sum. So x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. So what we have to do? We have to eliminate 3 which is in denominator. As I said, if x is divided by 3, we should multiply with 3 on both the sides. So do that. So step 2. Multiply with 3 on both sides. Okay? If you just multiply with 3, what happens? Become 3 into x by 3, which is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3. Understood? So we are multiplying 3 on both the sides. So 3 will get cancelled. So it will be left out with x. So we got x now. So now 3 ones are 3 5s are. So you got x value as minus 8 by 5. Okay? Yeah, I'll just repeat once again the same question. Just you look at this. What we have taken, x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. We just taken the polynomial linear equation. Now we subtract 1 on both the sides. Because here it is added with 1, so we subtract 1 on both the sides. When you subtract, 1 will get cancelled. you will be left with x by 3, and the same what we did in the LHS, the same we have to perform in the RHS also. So 7 by 15 minus 1. When you do that, what is the LCM of 15 and 1? Because 1 can be written as 1 by 1. Correct? So 15 and 1, what is the LCM of 15 and 1? 15. Correct? 15 and 1 LCM is 15. So first cross multiply 7 into 1. 7 minus 15 into 1. 15. So 7 minus 15 by 15. Okay? What is 7 minus 15? Because 7 is the smaller number and 15 is the higher number, obviously. So when you do subtraction from lower numbers from higher number, obviously the higher number, the greater number sign you should take, which is minus, and 7 minus 15 means which is 8. So minus 8 by 15 is your x by 3. Got it? So now we need x value. So but here, do you got like this just a t or just x? We got x with 3, means which is denominator as 3. X by 3 we got. We didn't got x there. So what we should do? We should eliminate the 3 which is in denominator. As I said, if the 3 is in denominator, you just multiply with 3. If 3 is in numerator, divide with 3. Just we have to do in the other way as we discussed. So multiply with 3 on both the sides. When you multiply with 3, what happens? 3 into x by 3 and minus 8 by 15 into 3. We are doing the same on both the sides. So here 3 into x by 3 minus 8 by 15 into 3. So what happens? This 3 will get cancelled. You will be left out with x, and 3 ones are 3 5s are. Correct? So which will give you minus 8 by 5. So x value is minus 8 by 5. Okay? I hope you understood this, and we will discuss one more sum which is there here. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Okay? 17 plus 6p equal to 9. So how to do that? First, you write the linear equation first. 17 plus 6p equal to 9. Now, remember 6p is not just a 6p, it is added with 17. Correct? 17 is added there. So we have to remove that 17. So how to eliminate the 17? Same way what we did for the last ones. Subtract 17 on both sides. Understood? You have to subtract 17 on both the sides. When you subtract, what you get? 17. Already we have 17 you are subtracting. So which is 9 minus 17. You understood this step? 17 which is already written. What is there in the sum I have written. And I am just subtracting 17. So that's why minus 17. 6p as it is. 9 as it is. And again, because when you do for the LHS, you have to do the same for RHS also. So 17 will get cancelled. 6p equal to, what is 9 minus 17? Again here, greater number is having negative sign. So remember, we should take negative. And do 17 minus 9, no problem. What is 17 minus 9? Yes, 17 minus 9 is 8. So which is minus 8. Isn't it? So we'll get minus 8. Got it? So p is equal to, here again 6 coefficient of your p is 6. So what we need? We need just p. We don't want 6p. So here 3 is in the denominator. So that is why we multiplied. Here 6 is in the numerator. Just we have to divide with p. Then it will become p. So divide with p. With 6 on both sides. When you divide with 6, you will get 6p divided by p. 6p divided by 6, which is minus 8 divided by 6. Alright? 6p divided by 6 equal to minus 8 divided by 6. So what happens? 6 will get cancelled. Correct? 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So now you will be left with, here also you can cancel 2 3s are 2 4s are. So p will be minus 4 by 3. Your p value is minus 4 by 3. Any doubt you can just once again I'll explain, go through. Here 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. What we did, we just subtracted 17. As we know that we have to eliminate 17. Okay. First, what is added with this variable, that should be eliminated. So we just subtracted 17 on both the sides. So 17 minus 17, and again there also we did 9 minus 17. So 17 but cancel, we will be left with 6p. So 6p is equal to what is 9 minus 17. So as we know that here we are doing subtraction part, because one is plus and another one is minus, and both signs are different. We have to do subtraction because plus 9 and minus 17, both the signs are different. When signs are different, we have to subtract. When signs are same, we have to add. That I hope everybody knows that. So when you subtract, so obviously 9 minus 17 you will get 8, and the greater sign, the greater number sign is negative. So they take the negative sign. So which will give you minus 8. So but still we didn't get p. We got only 6p. So we have to eliminate that what is there multiplied to p. So here 6 is multiplied with p. So what we do, just I'll divide with 6. So that 6 by 6 is 1. So we can eliminate 6. So that's the reason I just divided with p with 6 on both the sides. So 6p by 6 is equal to minus 8 by 6. 6 got cancelled. Minus 8 by 6, even we can simplify this. 2 4s are 2 3s are. So which is minus 4 by 3. So p is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, so this will be your final answer. Okay. Just we will continue with one more sum. Here, these and all what we did comes under solving, means we are just finding the x, correct? So there is one more type of sums. There are one more type where we have to find the value of x. Those comes under applications. So some applications we just discuss some application sums also. Okay. So what are these application sums? Here, basically, it is just like you might have studied word problems, right? So this comes under word problems. So I'll just write the problem here. The perimeter of rectangle is 13 centimeter. The perimeter of rectangle is 13 centimeter, and its width is 2 3 by 4. Remember, here it is in mixed fraction, okay, which is 2 3 by 4 centimeter. Find its length. Okay, find its length. We have to find the length of the rectangle. So guys, you might have studied the formulas in your earlier classes, maybe 7th or 6th. What is the area of triangle? What is the perimeter of triangle? Remember, if you don't know the sums like formula, please revise, because formula is very important, and you know that they will not give any formulas in the question papers. I hope you know that. So you have to remember the formulas. There is no other way for that. So the perimeter of rectangle is 13 centimeters and its width is 2 3 by 4 centimeters. Find its length. So here if you observe, what is given? Perimeter is given, width is given, we have to find length. So which is unknown here? Which is length? So what I will consider, let the length of rectangle, be x centimeter. I'll just take length of the rectangle be x centimeter. Understood? So now, what is the perimeter of rectangle? First, you should know the formula of perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. Rectangle symbol I am using. Perimeter of rectangle. What is perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 times of length and breadth, means 2 times of sum of length and breadth is your perimeter. Okay, you should remember this formula. What I assumed the length of the rectangle we don't know, which we have to find, that is x, and perimeter of rectangle is 2 times of length L plus B, means length plus breadth. So now perimeter is given, isn't it? Given perimeter. What is perimeter given? Perimeter is given as 13 centimeters, and what is given? Width. Width is same as breadth. Remember, width breadth are almost are same actually. Width is equal to breadth. Don't think that width means some other thing which is not there in the like rectangle. Width is nothing but breadth only. So width is how much? 2 3 by 4. It is in mixed fraction convert into a improper fraction. So 4 into 2, 8. Understood? So 8 plus 3. So 11. 11 by 4 centimeter. Isn't it? Okay. And I hope you know this. 4 into 2, 8. And you have to add this and retain this in the denominators. 4 into 2, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4. 11 by 4 centimeters is the width. Now, you just continue that here. So now, what we have to find? We have to find the x value. So what we do? Just we substitute this in this perimeter, in the formula. Perimeter is 13, which is equal to 2 into what is length? We assume it as x, and what is breadth? We assume it as 11 by 4. Okay, it is 2 into x plus 11 by 4. Got it? So now what we have to do? Just remember, send this to this side, or for your like convenience, I'll just interchange the positions, so it will be easy. Okay, can we write 2 is equal to x, we same as x is equal to 2. Remember, don't get confused with this. If you write 2 is equal to x, that is same as x is equal to 2. There is no any like wrong in that. So what I did, I just shifted this here so that it will be easy to understand. So 2 into x plus 3 by 4 is equal to 13. We can also write like that. So what I'll do, I will send this to that side. It will become, because 2 is in the numerator and it is multiplied here. When you send it to the RHS, it will divide. So 13 by 2, which is equal to x plus 11 by 4. Okay. So now we need x value. So this is plus 13 by 4. When you send it to the RHS, it will just become minus 11 by 4. Got it? Okay. Here it is plus 11 by 4. When you send it to the RHS, it will be minus 11 by 4. Now, same thing what we did for the last one. 2 and 4. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? 2 and 4 LCM is 4. Because we can remember highest value. Okay, anyway, you find the LCM for 2 and 4. So obviously you will get 4. So 4 will be the denominator. And now what you should do? 13 by 2, you just multiply with 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2s are. Correct? It's very simple. Just take this term and multiply with LCM. Okay? Take this term and multiply with LCM. This term is 13 by 2. And what is the LCM here? 4. Just multiply. 2 ones are 2 2s are. What is remaining? 13 2s are 26. So write 26. That's all. Okay, I'll repeat. 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. That we know. Just we can find the LCM. We'll get 4. Afterwards, what we are doing, this is the easiest way to find LCM. Okay, I mean, so solving the, subtracting the fractions. So 13 by 2, first term, you take as it is and multiply with the LCM what we got. So 13 by 2 into 4. So 2 ones are, 2 2s are, we can cancel it. So 13 to the, what is remaining? 13 2s are 26. Similarly, take second term and minus as it is. You just write the sign as it is. And 11 by 4 into 4. Alright, 11 by 4 into 4. So 4 will get cancelled. You will be left with 11. So answer is 11. 26 minus 11. So 26 minus 11, how much? It will be 15. Correct? If I am not wrong, it is 15. So x is equal to 15 by 4. Correct? We got x value as 15 by 4. Any doubt? Let me know. Like you can just, I'll explain once again. So here what we did, we just assumed the length of the rectangle as x centimeters, which is unknown. Correct? And we know the perimeter of rectangle formula is, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth. 2 into L plus B. We used to, like you might have heard this, we studied in 7th and 6th standards. So given perimeter is given, how much it is given? 13 centimeters. It is given in the sum. And width, how much it is given? 2, 3 by 4. It is in mixed fraction, convert to improper fraction. How do you convert 4 into 2? 8, 8 plus 3, 11. So it is 11 by 4 centimeters. So 4 into 2, 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 and retain the denominator as well. So 11 by 4. So now how to 11 by 4 we got, and what we are doing, we are just substituting in the formula. So perimeter is given 13, which is equal to 2 into length is x and breadth is 11 by 4. So 2 into x plus 11 by 4. So now what I can write, 2 into x, 2 is equal to x is same as x is equal to 2, and everybody knows that. Even if you interchange the values, it will not change. It is correct only. Correct. We can write 2 is x, means x is equal to 2, both the same. So for the simplification convenience, we can just write in the other way. So write this first and write this second. It doesn't mean it is correct only. So 2 into x plus 11 by 4 is equal to 13. So now why I did like that? Because it will be easy to calculate the value of x. So now here 2 is multiplied, correct? Here 2 is multiplied. So this multiplied 2, I am sending it to the RHS. When you send this multiplied 2 to the RHS, it will divide. So that's the reason it is divided with 13. So 13 by 2. So x plus 11 by 4 is equal to 13 by 2, and I need only x here. So send this 11 by 4 to the other side. When you send, what happens? It will become 13 by 2 minus 11 by 4. So now 2 and 4. What are the denominators we have? 2 and 4. So just take LCM of 2 and 4. 2 and 4 LCM is 4. Correct? 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 into 2 is 4. And I hope everybody knows how to find LCM also. So 2 and 4 is the LCM. And first term, what is the first term here? 13 by 2. So this is the easiest way to do the subtraction of fractions. So 13 by 2, first term you take and multiply with the denominator. So 13 by 2 into 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is remaining here? 13 into 2. 13 twos are 26. So write 26. Next 11 by 4 into 4. So 4 will get cancelled. You will be left with 11. So 26 minus 11. So 26 minus 11 by 4. What is 26 minus 11? Which is 15. So x value is 15 by 4. So we can say that the length, what is the unknown here? Length. They are asking you to find the length. So the length of the rectangle is rectangle is 15 by 4 centimeter. Okay, so we found the unknown. Got it? So this is how you have to do some application sums. Application sums in the sense they will give one unknown and you will be having 2 or 3 knowns. Using that knowns, you have to find one unknown term. Anyway, if we do more sums on this, you can easily understand this. I hope you understood this. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, stay home and be healthy. Take care of yourself. Thank you very much again.